Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Roccat Kone Pro Air. This is the wireless version of the Kone. So the price for this wireless version goes about $130. The wired version goes about $80. Now, of course, the weight on this one is 75 grams. The wired version goes about 66 grams. So let's open up this bad boy and let's get started. So you want to pause it here for a second to see what type of switches you use. It uses the Trident switch, which is awesome. It uses their own wireless technology. And I also kind of like how the RGB is light up on the left click and right click, which it looks cool. So let's open up this baby, see how it looks. As you see, I'm gonna flip the back of the box. You see more information about the mouse. And I'm gonna open up this baby and we're gonna have a go. Okay, I'm gonna close this and let me lower down my amp because then I get really annoying because people are gonna message me in Discord. Okay, so what else comes in here? So, quick start guide, the mouse itself, and this nice flex cable, and it uses USB-C, which is great. Looks nice. Doesn't come with a dongle for you to put it close to it, just like, for example, Logitech's or the SteelSeries Prime Wireless. So let me take off the mouse and let's do a quick sound test. Left click, right click, scroll wheel. Ooh, scroll wheel is really good. Ooh, side buttons. All right, so let me put this back in here. So, okay. So, of course, this is a profile switch, but you can reprogram to change your DPI switch. So this is to turn it off. The middle is to turn off the mouse. When you switch it to the right, it switches to Bluetooth. And when you switch it to the left, it will go wireless mode. Or when you have it like this, when you put the switch up, it goes to 2.4, middle, shut off, bottom, when you put the switch at the bottom, it will turn Bluetooth. And right here it has a nice storage device where you can store the USB receiver, which is great. So that means you can take this mouse on the go. So I'm gonna plug this bad boy in and see how it looks. Stand by. I forgot to do the video of the shake test, and there's no wobbling inside as well. There's no creak. So Roccat did an amazing job. When it comes to making a mouse, you know the build quality is going to be top notch, which is great. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Until then, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. I'll talk to you guys later. Any questions you want me to answer, you put them down in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, I got to do my homework assignments and then I can play Escape for Talk Off. And I'll sign off. Goodbye.